So today we have a video about the last upgrade that you can put on this bike. We have been through some time, you and I. So first it was, well, most recently was how to rebuild the engine. If you follow the channel, you see like a lot of upgrade mechanical services that went on with this cruiser bike. This design from Lifan Ltd is made from the model called Kawasaki Vulcan 900. That's why the original name of this bike in China is called Lifan V16. V stands for Vulcan, right? And 16 as in Harley Davidson 114, but instead it's just 16, just for a small engine. So now, first let's walk around to see what we changed in this bike, and how we can make this one, how we can install this to make it better. The first design that went on many years is the windshield. Now this windshield is not common because the mount is different. It's got 4 mounts, one here, one here. The second design that went on is the fog light, right? And then I also add this most recently, which I didn't show in a video. I'm just showing you the design spec of this. Then the other design that went onto this is the actual belt drive system, right? And then you got this dual shifter. I also removed the hydraulic clutch. I'm no longer using it because it's too hot, and the clutch is right next to the exhaust. That's the drawback to this, so I'm not using it anymore. But then you got the bag with the extra crash bar mount, right? So now let me show you guys what's best about this bag. If you open this, this is not your standard plastic bag. This comes with a nice cushion. This is luxurious all the way from the get-go, right? And because I had to use the bracket, since it no longer support, I mean, it's too big. It extended where you would normally have the turn signal right here, right? So I had to create a mount and have it right here. So this is the mount for it. Otherwise, you cannot get this bag. Now, recently was the exhaust, right? I didn't show you guys when I wrapped it, but it ended up being wrapped and also painted black. This is a high temp silicone, right? This was from the beginning. So that's pretty much it, beside rebuilding the engine and everything. So now today we're gonna work here, removing this and see what we get from there. So let's look what we got here. This one goes there, right? Guessing this is what's holding it. But this is, I got no idea. But it's something also. Now, you are going to lose access with this guy right here. But you got a nice curve exhaust. You got a nice, I mean, let me show you guys what the bike is. Sorry. Whoever made this is a genius at best to really design this bike. The way it is right now, and just made me promote their stuff. It's a goddamn genius. I swear to you. Belt drive and everything. Jesus Christ. Whoever made this is a goddamn genius. I don't know about you, but I'm happy. Now, I don't know how long you've been riding, because I think I've been riding longer than you. And you want to upgrade to the intermediate or pro. Really, what's the difference between intermediate and a pro? You could still be a pro with a beginner motorcycle. It's not the motorcycle that makes a rider. It's you that makes a rider. So, first, I'm going to start the bike, see if there is any outside noise from here. Some real mileage. Check that out. Miles, 19,518 miles. You gotta be rich to have a full tank of gas these days.